everyone, I'm Dr. Eng here from Malaysian Menopause Society. As the world marks its 1-year anniversary of the COVID-19 pandemic, this year's theme for the Malaysian International Conference on Menopause and Women Health, MICOM2021, Embracing Change, Empowering Women could not be more apt. The COVID-19 pandemic has undoubtedly influenced the way we, doctors, care for women's health. COVID-19 has prioritized quarantine, screening and isolation, and sidelined important pillars of women's health such as family planning and health after menopause, just to name a few. Access to a better quality of life through healthcare has been denied to most women as they suffer in silence. The new normal is here to stay. We are challenged to soar above the storm, to embrace change and hit our calling as healers and givers of care. We are called to seek new ways to provide women with the health care that they deserve, thereby empowering them to empower one another. Recognizing the importance of information through continuing medical education, the Organizing Committee of MICOM WH 2021 Embrace Change to bring you a cutting-edge scientific program served on a state-of-the-art virtual platform. You'll be spoiled by the brand new features of the virtual platform. I take this opportunity to applaud the gigantic efforts of the organizing committee and enormous generosity of our kind sponsor in partnering with us to elevate the conference to a premium level while maintaining affordability so that many may benefit. In addition to a stimulating scientific program, you will also enjoy interactive virtual booths and win lucrative prizes in a lucky draw. For keen researchers, the conference will be your perfect chance to showcase rare and new discoveries to an international audience. It is with great excitement that I invite you to the MICOM WH 2021. I sincerely hope that you will not only enjoy but benefit greatly from the conference we have put together. See you there. Dr. Eng here from Malaysian International Conference on Menopause and Women Health 2021.